So we're discussing your story today.
Mm-hmm.
You have a very particular story. You've been on a crazy adventure, bro.
Yes, very crazy.
Very crazy. What's the craziest part of your adventure, man?
The transplant.
The transplant was the craziest part of your adventure?
One of them.
One of them.
One
All right,
of them.
let's talk about that one then. Why was it so crazy?
Like, if I hadn't done the transplant there and then, now don't say that I'm exaggerating a bit. Like, if I wouldn't have done it there and then, I would have died.
Yeah, and it's but you're a fighter.
Yeah.
Yeah, so not today. Not today.
No, not today.
Bro, I love you. So your mom worries about you. Do you worry about your mom at all?
Yes, whenever she's sick, I take care of her. Right
Yeah?
now.
It's true. It's true.
Yeah, that's so cute when you touch her face. So I'm a big softie. Big softie.
Yeah.
So, and what do you do to take care of mom?
First, I tell her, like, this is with a tummy ache. Is it the same kind of tummy aches that I have? If it's a yes, I tell her to go to the bathroom. If it works out, yay, whoopee, party. If it doesn't, I get her some sparkling water.
Does she fart when she gets these kinds of...
No,
No, not farting. Or she just doesn't tell you?
I don't know. And then if she needs, I get her a wet face cloth.
Okay.
And then if it starts to get really bad, I get her the bucket.
Okay. And the bucket's for the...
Yeah.
For the puking. I hate puking.
Yeah.
So what other crazy adventures you been on?
The my trough.
What was that?
The hole that I put the catheter in.
Oh, okay. All right. Yeah. She did explain it to us. Yes. So how do you see yourself in like 10 years' time? Like where's your future going?
I have no idea.
You probably, listen, my estimation is you're probably wise way beyond your years. Way beyond your years. You definitely are very good at communicating.
Really?
Yes, you're very charismatic.
Thank you.
You also are obviously very strong. Life has tested you and you've stood up to it. So potentially you could lead this country. What do you think?
Yeah, that would be cool.
Would
but
you?
I wouldn't be up for it.
See, I told you were wise beyond your years. So what would you like to do?
I don't really know. Yeah,
One day at a time?
one day at a time. I like playing football, but all by myself. And basketball.
And basketball, do you play that with a team or is that by yourself? You do realize we have a basketball ring outside there.
Yes, I have realized.
Okay, so, when we're done,
Yeah.
we can clear out some space and we can shoot some hoops. Are you any good?
Yes.
Yes?
Yeah.
Okay, you think you can dunk?
I can't dunk, but I can shoot.
You can shoot? You got a good shot?
Yeah.
Okay, after
Good
we're
shots.
gonna film it. Don't worry, we'll keep filming it until we get it right. And it would be
Okay.
like, hi, did it first time, it was amazing.
And the editors don't need to edit to see how bad you are.
End of interview. Get out my space. Listen, are there any other special people in your life that make your life better?
The only two important ones, Mommy and Daddy.
That's beautiful.
Only.
They're the main gang.
Yeah.
Why?
The main boys.
Main
Well,
boys.
except her. The main boy and girl.
So why? Why are these two people the mainstay?
Well, First of all, Daddy is one of the main ones because, he gave me one of his kidneys.
Yeah.
Whose dad would have been kinder than that?
That is a very
Literally
noble, brave, courageous
In my opinion,
gesture.
He sacrificed his life. He's my hero.
For sure, there was. Thankfully, he didn't sacrifice his life. Thankfully, he was willing to sacrifice his life. He was willing to lay down his life for his son, and that's amazing.
That's just
If
out
the
of
need
this
arises.
world.
Yeah.
If
So you feel very loved.
Yes. I just don't know it.
You don't know it. You're telling me. What do you mean you don't know it? Is that something you heard in a movie and like, oh, yeah, I'm on a podcast, let me try that. My kids do that all the time. Like out of context stuff they quote from YouTube. You watch YouTube?
Yeah.
Yeah. Some good stuff on there, some garbage on there. But wait, more importantly, tell me about mom and dad.
Okay. And Mom, even though she hasn't gave me her kidney, she probably will in the next 5 years when I'm 15, because that's the estimated year of age that I'll need another kidney, sadly. She will be my hero in the future.
But isn't she already your hero with all the things that she does for you already?
Yes.
Like you're literally her life, man. You kids don't know. You kids have no clue. None. Zero. When that happens, that unexpected moment when someone goes, we have to go to the hospital, Henry.
Yeah.
What goes on in your head?
So, there are these 3 or 4 things that go on in my head. Oh no, we have to go through this again. And the next one is, okay, let's go.
That's 2.
Okay, 2.
2 things.
Fine, 2.
And then you go.
And then I just go.
And do you want people to let you know exactly what's going to happen?
Yes.
Why?
Because I want to know the truth of what they're gonna do. If I don't know, or they try and baby word it, I turn into Hulk.
Good. Good. Why do you want to know the truth?
Because what if they, say that, for example, I'm going to an operation, okay, Henry, we're going to take you down and you're going to have a very long nap, okay? But now, being 10, I know that they're going to do a surgery. So I just tell them, is it okay if you can try and rephrase that, please?
Because you want to prepare yourself mentally, is that it?
Yeah, but I already know that they're going to have to operate.
ماذا طلعنا؟